Anya and welcome back to Anya's World. And today we're going to be making lava lamps. So let's get started. So let's go over the ingredients. First, you will be needing vegetable oil or baby oil. We're using vegetable oil. Then you will be needing water, some Alka-Seltzer, food coloring. I chose pink, blue, and orange. And finally, you'll need a clear container to put your lava lamp in. So I already went ahead and pre-measured the first two bottles. I put about 3/4 cup of oil each. Then I'm gonna add the last one in. All right, almost there. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean out my container so it'll be ready for the water. Okay, so I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of water. So 1/4, oh, exactly. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the pink food coloring, about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully it turns out nice and vibrant. So now I'm gonna mix it up. Looks like a little orangish. All right, so let's add this into our container with our oil. And if you didn't know, water and oil never really mix, so it makes this cool little interaction. Okay, let's clean it out again so we can do pink. About 1/4 cup. Okay, now 5 drops of blue food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, we're going to mix it up. Right. Ooh, this is a nice blue. Nice and vibrant. Okay, now let's add this one into this container. Ooh, these already look cool and we didn't even add the acid yet. Okay, clean it off again so we can add our last color in. So, just add about 1/4 and a little more. That's about right. Now, add in 5 drops of orange food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, let's mix it up one more time. All right. Now, let's add this one in to our last container. So let's get the magic started. Okay, so first we're gonna add our additional ingredient, glitter. Okay, now let's add in 3 pieces of Alka-Seltzer into the pink / I guess orange. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the bubbles are coming up. They're coming up. Whoa. It's starting to look like a lava lamp. Look at all those bubbles. Wow, that's really cool. All right, let's go to the blue one. 3 in there. 1, 2, 3. This one's starting too. And the glitter is looking really cool. And I think it adds a little bit more stuff. It looks like bubble tea with too many bubbles. All right, let's do our final one, orange. 1, 2, 3. This one's starting too. Whoa, okay, this one's starting to look like pink, but it's more of a coral color. Whoa, look at all those bubbles. It's like over fizzy soda. All right, so I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!